Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google Calendar with ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you use Google Calendar and you just recently started using ClickUp. How do you actually go ahead and connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you're going to click on your profile icon and then click on Settings. Now, once you've done so, on the left-hand side, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Calendar and click on Calendar. And then from here, you want to click on Google Calendar in the middle. So what this is going to do is that right now I'm already connected with my Google Calendar, but you're going to click on Connect Another Account and simply log into your Gmail and then connect your calendar through the on-screen prompts. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Google Calendar with ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.